Let's look at it. So first, let's look at the ranking. 181st, which is good. Seeing in the top 200, that's great. You're looking at 132,000 people that are watching the position, which is great to see a community that is behind it, especially people that look to hold it and look to see the investment thrive. Currently, you're seeing a $153 million market cap, which is not bad at all. But I do want to see the correlating volume with it. And $4 million worth of volume, I guess, would be a little bit low. But we're still seeing millions of dollars worth of volume rather than hundreds of thousands. So it's not something that's insanely popular, but it's something that can hold its own. Looking at millions of dollars. Now, this is up 27%. So you're probably looking at a lower point or a lower level historically, which if we go into historical data, we're going to see where we stand. We are normally currently around that. We see 4 million, 3 million. We see another 3 million, 6 million, 8 million, 9 million. So you are hovering around the multi-millions levels. But for some reason, in recent history, I guess looking March 31st on, you're seeing a lower amount of money that's flowing through there, right? 13 million versus 8 million is a big difference. 17 million, you're looking at 26, 36, or 38, 37, 50, 68 million. So you're seeing a lot more money that's flowing into it in March versus what you are seeing in April. And I want to know the reason why you would see that. Maybe you had, I guess we had more positive volume that was going into the crypto market at that point. That could be the case. But you're also seeing, like I said, less volume and you want to see more. Anyways, you don't have a max supply, which is something I don't like to see, meaning that you can mint more from what CoinMarketCap shows. But the total amount of supply that is out there is 41 billion. And you're looking at about 40 to 41 billion in circulating supply. So a lot of the supplies out there, you don't have much dilution. However, you can have more dilution with the max supply, depending on how frequently they add or mint coins or anything like that. If that is true, sometimes CoinMarketCap gets that wrong. If we're looking at the price, currently at 0.003, we know that this can grow a lot higher, but it all depends on I guess the popularity and the use case behind it if it does have a potential use within it. Um, let's look at historical data and how things have moved over the last year. We've seen this kind of fall down. I do want to look at market cap to see if there's any adjustment. So it looks like there is a form of dilution, but we'll get into that. So you see this at about 1 cent. It has dove down to a level of 0.003 or 30% of a penny, 29% of a penny. And you can see this at a lower point of 21, 22% of a penny, currently standing at about 37% or 38% of a penny. Now, the dilution that comes into play here is mainly around, like, you see the adjustment here and how things have, increased. The price points and where things are. So it's at a lower point here, and you can see how there was dilution at that point. And maybe the dilution only happened at this point and made it worth so much more as you get up to some of these levels. Because obviously it's at way less than half of what this level is in price, but it is at a higher market cap than what you would expect, right? The highest market cap is a $329 million market cap. And here at a level where it should be half of what that penny is, you're looking at a level of $246 million. So at this point, it's showing that it is, about, 2/3 of the way there, right, within market cap. But when you look at price, you're not seeing that at that level. So you're definitely seeing a little bit of an increase in the overall supply, but I just don't know how that's implemented, how that's introduced to it. But either way, in any position, you can see an opportunity within it. And, I don't really see a crazy opportunity where it's like this is going to skyrocket, the volume is crazy. But if the volume does grow, if you do see more ability to buy the position or see more volume that's happening on Binance or anything like that, then yeah, I'm all for it. Because it does have a lot of trading pairs, 41 different trading pairs, whether you're looking at the same platform or not, but you're looking at 41 different trading pairs within the position, which creates, potential volume. So, yeah, I'll leave it at that.